Good day everyone, welcome to Mathspedia. In this video we'll be talking about indices. We'll just be talking about the foundation in this video. Mathematicians use indices as a shortcut to represent numbers. For example, now instead of me writing 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, I can reduce this and shorten it to give us 2 raised to the power 4. This is in indices form. So indices is just like a short way, a shortcut to represent long multiplication of repeated numbers. So when I mean repeated, the numbers are being repeated, maybe once, maybe twice, and maybe 3 times. Now, how do we represent indices? This is the basic representation. Now, if I have something like this is the form of indices. This is A, B. Now, this is the base, and this is the power, also called index and also called exponents. Now, what is the function of B? B, it tells us how many times you multiply A, that is the base, by itself. Now, for example, now I have A raised to the power 2. This is the power, telling us that I have to multiply A by itself how many times? 2 times. So that will give us A multiplied by A, and this gives how many times? 2 times. Let's do another example now. Okay, let me see. 4 raised to the power 3. So this tells me that I need to multiply 4, which is the base. How many times? 3 times. That is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, and that will give us 64. So the essence of the power here, it tells us how many times we are going to multiply the base by itself. For example, now let me see if I have like 3 raised to the power 1. This one needs indicate that I'm only multiplying the base 3 by itself once, and since it's only one time I'm going to repeat it, that's only the answer is going to be what? 3. Unlike 3 square, that I will need to bring a 3 and a 3 here and put a multiplication sign here to give us what? 9. So that's just the concept. So this is the basic form of indices. So this is where we'll stop for today's video. In our next video, we're going to be looking at the laws of indices. If this video is a blessing to you, or you learned something from this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. See you in the next video.